Hello my friends, would you like to convert this photo to this photo? And this to this? And even this to this? So stay with us as I want to introduce you another artificial intelligence tool. If you are ready, let's go, but don't forget to subscribe AI Signal. Okay, to get us started, you need to go to the Adobe Firefly website. After entering the website, go to the generative field section and click on Create with Firefly. From here, you can choose your image. Now just remove the part that you want to be changed by AI. Here, write what you want and then just click on Generate. As we have seen, the artificial intelligence helped us again. If you like it, like and subscribe. Thank you and appreciate it for your support. See you soon.